Have you ever found yourself trying to explain money to your kids, only to feel completely lost? You're not alone, Mama. It can feel like a daunting task. In today's video, we'll explore simple and fun ways to talk to your kids about money. This is important because understanding finances helps shape their future, and you can absolutely do this. Let's make those conversations easy and enjoyable for your whole family. Start with needs versus wants. Explain that some things are essential while others are just nice to have. This helps kids understand prioritization without overwhelming them with adult worries. Use real-life examples, like grocery shopping, to show how you make choices based on your budget. When they see you in action, it makes the concept relatable and practical. Incorporate games like a pretend store at home to teach them about money management. Kids learn best when they're having fun, and this will make them excited to engage with finances. You're doing a wonderful job, and these conversations will build a strong foundation for your children. Don't forget to subscribe and visit cozycornerdaily.com for more tips.